So students, so one more activity that is related to the chemical change. So what you see, this is a copper sulfate solution. So first of all, note down the color of the copper sulfate solution. This is a copper sulfate solution which is a blue in color. Blue in color. So how it is prepared? Take the copper sulfate powder. Okay, take the copper sulfate powder in about a half of cup of water in a glass, tumbler or a beaker, and add a few drops of a dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. Then you will get a copper sulfate solution. So then now what you will do? So put a iron nail on the copper sulfate solution. I have already dropped the nail in the copper sulfate solution. So what you will see? You will see a little bright, the color will changes now. What you will see? The color will changes. Something that changes, the color will changes. About in half an hour, the color will completely changes blue color into the green color. Clear? Why it is converted blue color into the green color? Because copper sulfate solution will completely changes into the iron sulfate solution. Because the color of the iron sulfate solution, which is a green in color. And what you will see, students, we have to see some copper which is deposited on the iron nail. So which is what the color of this copper? It is a brown color. You have to see clearly brown color. What do you see? This is a copper. So what color of this copper is? Brown. So first of all, I will take out the iron nail from this solution. I see you. This is a iron nail. So what you will see? The brownish color on the iron nail. So that is a copper. It's a brown deposit on the iron nail. So what was the reaction? The copper sulfate and this plus iron, so will gives a iron sulfate plus copper. Plus copper means this is a brown deposit plus copper. So this is a activity number 6.7. So this is a copper sulfate, and when we put the iron nail on this solution, that you have to see the color of the solution will changes into the green. About in half an hour, what you will see, the color will changes. Okay? And there is a brown deposit. You have to see clearly the brown deposit. So this is a copper. Okay, students? Once again, we do another activity that is related to the chemical change. So this is a vinegar that is also called acetic acid, and this is called a baking soda that is called sodium hydrogen carbonate. So when we mix to each other, so we see the result. I am taking this is vinegar that is called acetic acid, and we mix the baking soda into the acetic acid. So see the result. So we take the baking soda little amount. And what was the result? See the result. So we put the hair on this and we put the mix the baking soda. So see the what was the result. So see the result. So you will hearing the hissing sound. You will see the bubbles of a gas also. So this is represent, which gas is this? Which gas is this? The gas is the carbon dioxide gas. And see the bubbles. This see, there are the bubbles. There are the bubbles of the gas, and you hearing the hissing sound. So when we mix the baking powder into the acid, so we make the result, the product is CO2, carbon dioxide, and the other substance